Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Brothers and sisters, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, today I'm going to make a Cantonese dish. Now the Cantonese dish is called stir-fried beef. I think many of you would have eaten it before. And well, no harm in trying my way. Alhamdulillah, this is my way. And the main ingredient, of course, beef. I use beef, stir-fried beef. If you see here, the beef has been shredded, sliced, shredded, yeah? And then we have shallots and a bit of garlic and a ginger. Why is this? We need to marinate them, marinate and mix them. So that's why I have all this ingredient mixed, and I add a bit of dark soy sauce. Remember, this is dark soy sauce, this is light soy sauce. Dark you do very, very little. Very little. Look at that. Just a little. That's it. Nothing more. And then you can have a bit of soy sauce. Okay, here we go. And then we mix it. Mix it here. Or some people also add some vinegar, cornstarch. I don't use any of them. So this is very plain, very straightforward. So we keep it aside for about 10 minutes or so. I just here and then leave it here. Then again we have green pepper and then sliced onions and garlic and ginger and then oil. This is the sesame oil. Garlic and ginger is very, very important in Cantonese cooking. When I say Cantonese, we go Gondong. Now it's called Gondong. It is southern part of China, where Hong Kong is. So in Cantonese cooking, ginger and garlic is very, very important. For those who want to buy in bulk large quantity, you can contact Grupo Halal Foods. Okay, now let's start cooking. Let's go to the stove. Come on, cameraman. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's stand on the stove. Yeah, okay. There we go. Let the stove get heated. Well, we need a sizzling hot plate, so I'm really going to heat up the pan. Now what we do, as usual, we're going to put oil. That much is enough. Okay, that's it. You can see it. And then stir a bit. And then we're going to add the ginger. Then we're going to add the garlic. Look at that smell. Look at the aroma. MashaAllah, aroma. Okay. And then we add the onion, sliced onion. Look at that. And then once that's done, we're going to go. Okay. While it's cooking, we'll leave it for about 1 minute. Let it cook by itself for 1 minute. We'll leave it here. Okay. So while that's being cooked, I'd just like to mention a few words of our sponsors. Our sponsors are Sidr Honey. The Sidr Honey is from Yemen, from Hyderabad, the best place for Sidr Honey. It has good medicinal properties. Many people love it, and it's available in your selected local stores in Gold Coast and Brisbane. So go for it. It's really good for you. And if you want to get more details, just go. Cameraman, can you come closer? You get it? Can you get the address there? Yeah. So just visit the website. It's called www.grupohealthcare.com. Go for it. Now time is right. What we do is remove the lid, stir it a bit. You see, about Cantonese cooking, you don't overcook the food. It's like 70-80%. Why? They want to retain the vitamins in the vegetables. So it's always good not to overcook the food. So it's not fully cooked, but I think about 70-80%. That's fine. Here we go, and then we transfer it to a plate for the time being. Okay, now what we do next? Now, the next thing goes, which is the beef, the marinated beef. Now, before we do that, we add a bit of oil. Look at that oil. Let's heat up the oil. Okay, and then here we have the marinated beef. Look at that. Can you see it? Is it clear? Now, we add it. Look at that. Look at the sizzling sound. Hear the sizzling sound. Look at that. Whoa. MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Here we go. MashaAllah. Alright. Okay. You stir it a bit. Maybe add a bit of soya sauce. Okay, 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, up to you. Cameraman, can you smell the aroma? Oh, good, good. Hey, you should start speaking next time. Okay. The audience want to know who you are. They want to know your voice. Well, it's up to you if you want to introduce yourself. I'll leave it to you. Alright, and then what we do, we cover it for a moment. Look what's happening here. Wow, look at that. MashaAllah, it's been cooked. Look at that. Whoa. You see the gravy here? The gravy? So most of them, what they do, they use cornstarch to thicken it. But I don't use it. I prefer this way. I like gravy. I like gravy in my rice. So this is what I do. Here we go. And then we add the rest of the veggie which we cooked earlier. Okay, done. This one. And then we add a bit of soya sauce on top of it. This is light soya sauce. Remember, light soya sauce. Okay. And then here we go. This actually we added at the last minute. This is the sesame oil, but not too much, just to get aroma. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stir this a bit. Is it not? Look at the color. Huh? Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells good. I really wish you guys can try this. I really wish. I mean, it really smells good and it's delicious, I tell you. And then here we're going to add a bit of. Just a little. Okay. Stir it one more time. Mix it up, mix it up. Okay. All done. Okay, all done now. Now to the table. Look at that. Look at the steam coming from this stir-fried beef. MashaAllah. And the rice to go with it. Beautiful. Now who's coming to test the food? Come on over. Take a seat. Come on. Alright. You want a fork or a spoon? Here we go. Say Bismillah before you eat.
Bismillah.
It's hot.
Really good.
Really good?
The texture is really nice. Perfect.
Perfect. MashaAllah. The kid loves it. So they love it. Inshallah. Try cooking yourself. You will enjoy it. I'm sure most of you have tried it before. But try cooking my way. You will enjoy it. And once again, thank you so much for watching my episodes, my previous episode. And I thank you for your comments. It's very encouraging. And thank you for your support. And of course, I would like you to go to YouTube and subscribe my channel, right? So inshallah, if you want to watch my rest of my videos, just type in YouTube, Baba's Halal Kitchen. Baba's with apostrophe S, Halal Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this episode. We see you again very soon, inshallah. Happy cooking. Assalamu alaikum.